Basic driving maneuvers. Basic driving maneuvers properly depends upon using consistent speed control, steering control, and good visual habits. Signaling. The most common method of communicating your intentions on the road is by the turn signal lights. Signal every time you plan to turn, change lanes, pull to the side, or re-enter the traffic flow. Signal at least 5 seconds in advance of beginning any maneuver. Hand signals. There will be times when you have to use hand signals for further protection. Use your right hand to maintain steering control when using hand signals. The driver is signaling for a right-hand turn, 90 degrees up in the air. Left-hand turn, straight out the window. Trying to stop or slow down, 90 degrees downward. Avoid backing into a traffic flow. Pulling out forward will reduce risk and provide the best visibility for observing approaching traffic. Follow these 4 steps for entering traffic flow. Find a safe space to enter within the traffic flow. Select the proper and legal lane to enter and accelerate smoothly. After entering a traffic flow, cancel the turn signal manually if necessary. Reevaluate the rear zone for fast approaching vehicles. Taking left and right-hand turns. Check for traffic and pedestrians. Search mirrors when making any braking action. Signal 5 seconds before the turn. Position your vehicle in the correct lane for the turn. For a right turn, use lane position 3 if there are no parked vehicles. For a left turn, use lane position 2, the lane nearest the center line on a one-way street. This could be in the far left lane. Look at the picture, and you're going to turn to the nearest available lane. Brake early to reduce speed. Search the left, front, and right zones. Slow to about 10 miles an hour just before the crosswalk. For a right turn, check to the left again. The final search is in the direction of your turn. Begin turning the wheel when your vehicle's front bumper is even with the curb line. For a left turn, check traffic to the left, front, and right. Look for oncoming traffic and be sure your path of travel is clear. Turn your head and steering wheel toward the target area once the car enters the intersection. Turn into the nearest lane of traffic going in your direction. Halfway through the turn, while looking to the target area, accelerate as you turn your steering wheel to be on target. Lane change. Before deciding to make a lane change, consider whether it's necessary, beneficial, and legal. Procedures for changing lanes. Indicate by turning your signal light on. Use lane position 2 or 3 to bring you closer to the lane you will enter. Check your mirror and blind spot. Avoid unintentionally moving the steering wheel. Gradually ease into your new lane. Release the signal lever. Check behind you. Get the best speed and lane position to blend in with the traffic flow. A turnabout is when you turn your vehicle around to go in the opposite direction. The safest way to turn your vehicle around is to drive around the block. First, take these precautions. Make sure laws permit a turnabout. Have 10 seconds of visibility in each direction. Do not attempt it near hills or curves or within 200 feet of intersections. Never attempt in heavy or high-speed traffic. Continually check all around you for traffic, bicyclists, and pedestrians. Mid-block U-turn. Solid pavement markings in the center of the road indicate that a U-turn is prohibited. Pull to the far right edge of the road and stop. Check front and back in your left rear blind spot. If clear, signal and turn sharply left while moving slowly. When the vehicle is headed toward your target area, recheck your rear and accelerate to the speed of traffic. Backing into a driveway on the right side. Using a driveway on the right side has the advantage of letting you re-enter traffic going forward. Check behind you, check the driveway. Tap your brake lights to signal to the drivers behind you. Shift in reverse, and if it is clear, begin turning. Back only until the vehicle is straight. Signal left and make the left turn when the path is clear. Use the same procedures making a left turn. When traffic is clear, back out. Stay as close to the curb as possible. 3-point turns. We'll see a video on that. Explain how lane position is used before and after making a lane change. What is the safest way to perform a turnabout?